Hello there, YouTube. I hope you all are having a blessed day. I am here with a large box, and this is from Essee Watercolors. So I'm very excited to tear into this and see what we have in here. Oh my gracious, look at this. Oh my. Look at this beautiful paper. Oh, I love that. Oh, that's going to be fun to use. Oh, wow, I like that. This is beautiful. Oh, wow. What a beautiful little kerchief, little scarf. Isn't that beautiful? That's very nice. I like that. Okay, so we have Antique Earth and then 8 Color Vision 2026. Let's open up this one first. Oh, and more of this paper. Oh, I love it. Oh, how pretty. Oh, and more of that paper. I love that paper. It's so nice. And these are delightful little boxes. If you're going to be sending something to somebody, boy, these are nice little boxes. So this is the Antique Earth, and that comes with six colors. Okay, so there's the 6 colors, and oh, this is cool. What is in here? Oh, it's like Christmas. Oh, it smells like her paints. Oh, how beautiful. This must be part of this set. Mamo, I'm not sure what that one is, but that is so pretty. I love that little pot. So I am going to pull out my label maker, and I am going to make labels for all of the pots. Then I will come back. We'll swatch this set, and then I'll save this one. This is really heavy, so I'll save this for the next video. I spent quite a bit of time on her website, and I believe I might possibly have looked at the entire thing. I looked at all the palettes, all the colors, and I could not find this color anywhere. So we can go over the colors. This is Orca Gaia, and it is PY43. This is Rosa Malaga, and it's PR102. This one is Sombra Tostada, and it's PBR7. This is Terra Verde, which is PG23. This is Sombra, PBR8, and this is Rosso Venezia, PR102. And I'm going to put a bit of water on them to wake them up, and they smell heavenly. Her paints always smell so delightful. There's nothing overwhelming. You want to smell it all day long. They're just glorious paints. They are, after Deep Light, Essee Colors is my number 2. I can't get enough of them. They are beautiful. So I am going to just have a bit of a play and enjoy these paints. Oh, what a beautiful yellow. That's pretty. I like that a lot. I have been trying to broaden my use of other kinds of brushes just to try and get, to see if it helps with making shapes. And this is getting real sloppy. So we're gonna have to fix it. I'm not all that skilled when it comes to using different brushes. Well, I think I'm just gonna leave it like that and move on to the next color, which is Rosa Malaga. Malaga, yes. What a glorious color. That is beautiful. Get some extra water in there. And the next one is number 3, which is Sombra Tostada. So pretty. I love me a good brown. And the next one is Terra Verde. So pretty. Oh, look at that color. Oh my. Oh, I love that. Drop some extra color in there. So pretty. These paints are just insane. And this one is Sombra. This is a pretty brown. Ooh, oh, I love that. This one is Rosa Venezia, PR 102. Very pretty color. Oh, I love that color. Wow. Oh, I did it. I tapped it. But we all have to start somewhere, right? I'm just practicing. What a stunning color this is. Wow. And, you make mistakes, that's okay. You're playing with your colors. You're getting used to the colors. You want to see what they can do. All right, and now we have this mystery. Now it's almost not looking green. Now it's almost looking blue since I added water to it. Oh, it has little speckles in it. I don't know, I can't tell. It's a very, very delicate color. Wow. Very, very delicate. Oh, but I love it. Very pretty. Rosa Malaga, PR 102. Wow, what a color. These colors are just so rich and delightful. And I don't know what it is about the pigments she uses. They have so much impact. And I mean, PR 102, PBR 7, these are PG 43, PY 43, PG 23. All of these are colors that we can get here. There's just something magical about the pigments that she uses. It's her own little special little magic. Enjoy the colors and enjoy the calmness that fills your soul when you play with your colors. Colors are one of God's greatest gifts to us, and it brings him so much joy to see us being creative the way he made us. He made us to be creative like him and to play with the rainbow of colors that he has given us. So I say to you, put a smile on God's face today and play with your colors. Just enjoy it. It doesn't matter if you just pour paint on paper and just play with it and mush it around until it's dry. If it gives you joy, then it will give God joy. Oh, this yellow is just stunning. Wow, goodness gracious. Let's see, let's do this brown again. So have you tried any of Essee Watercolors paints? If you have, let me know down in the comments section. Let me know what your favorite palette is, what your favorite color of inks is. These are just incredible paints. Wow, what a color. I just flooded it with water. I hope I don't regret that. You got a little sloppy there, Melissa, but that's okay. That's okay. We are here to explore and play And I gotta fix that bottom corner there. I'm not used to using a flat brush, but I wanted to start doing it because I saw some paintings on Instagram that just really tug at my heartstrings. And they're just something that I would really like, but it requires a flat brush and I'm not used to using them. We're gonna have to practice. Oh, I like this green. So pretty. I already have another one of her pots sitting here. I think this is the Eco Soot. Oh no, it's Lunar Black. That's what that one is. I've had that one sitting on my desk for quite a while. Make a very tiny triangle here. I swear there's little speckles in it. Oh, this is like an eggshell gray, or there's a slight greenness to it, or blueness to it. Let's see. This one is Sombra Tostada. What a rich brown. Wow, 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 wow. So this is 6 Antique Earth large brush pots, and it is Acra Gila PY43, Rosso Malaga PR102, Sombra Tostada PBR7, Terra Verde PG23, Sombra PBR8, and Rosa Venecia PR102, and then this stunning color. And yeah, I see little speckles in it. And I'm so in love with this paint. Let me get a close up for you. Can you see little speckles in there? And this is what the tag said. And it is, I am so in love with this. I don't know if it's blue, green, gray, but it's stunning. On here, it looks like a very, very soft gray. And I do see some speckles in here, and I see some speckles there. And I am very much in love with this. So this, again, this is a small set that she sent, and I have another box. I have this box that I will open. This is Color Vision 2026. So this is a new palette that she created, and I'm going to save this for my next video. So please subscribe to my channel if you don't mind. If you don't care to, I would so appreciate it. Hit the like button on my video and leave a kind comment and let me know, what is your favorite color out of this palette? Do you have this palette? Have you tried any other Essee watercolors? And do you love them as much as I do? Thank you, Inga. Thank you, Essee Watercolors. I absolutely love these paints. They are amazing. And I will see you right back here at 70 Acre Studio next time with a video real soon. I love you all. God bless.
Good night, Elizabeth. Good night, John Boy. You are